When you initially sign into the HDC application, your data source preferences are set to the default settings, which are Me, My Clinic, and the All Clinic group. As you begin to share data with your colleagues and form small, peer-led learning groups, or engage with other groups to conduct quality improvement activities, you will have access to more data sources. These new data sources will appear as new choices in the Preferences menu, which is accessed either via the Settings menu or by clicking on the gear icon. New data sources will show up according to the level of aggregation that they represent. If you have individual physician shares in place, your physician colleagues will be listed under the Member heading. Shares with clinics will be listed under the Clinic tab, and so forth for the other types of data sources. The HSDA, the HA, and the provincial groups are what we refer to as system groups, and your data is automatically added to those groups upon registration. All data is protected by the N of 5 rule, which means that if a group has less than 5 members, the group aggregate is not displayed. This is a rule used to protect a single individual's or a single clinic's data from being teased out of a small group. 5 is the minimum number of group members required to provide a large enough aggregate to mask individual members' aggregate data. If a group contains 1 to 4 hidden members, the group aggregate will not be displayed. The first 3 data sources in the list will appear on the right-hand side column. The rest will appear in the list that displays when you check the plus sign on the far left side of the QI panel, beside the measure name. If you find yourself looking at the same group of measures on a routine basis, click the heart icon next to the measure name on the left side of the QI panel. Use this favorite button to select a list of measures that appears when you first land on the QI panel view, providing a quick access to your favorite measures or those that your small group learning or quality improvement initiative is currently focused on. Under the Settings menu, you can adjust your registration information, including your contact information, phone number, and email address. You can also adjust your visibility setting. This is a setting that hides your name or your clinic name from being displayed in the system. It means you cannot be searched by other members for sharing or invitations to join groups. However, with a hidden setting, your clinic's administrator is still able to see your account settings. You may also change your password or your data preferences from inside this Settings menu. If you are an administrator for your clinic, either the clinical lead or a designated administrator, you will also be able to edit your clinic settings by accessing the Clinic tab in this Settings menu. If you are not an administrator, you will not have a Clinic tab available to you. At this level, all settings except for the clinic name may be adjusted. Clinic members may also be added or removed by using this menu.